Promethean Whiteboard offers you easy ways to insert images onto your canvas. Select the Insert Image button from the toolbar. Choose from Charts and Templates to add a graphic organizer. You may change the way resources appear by tapping the Grid button in the top right corner. Once you have selected a chart or template, simply tap to add it to the canvas. Return to Insert Image and select Gallery to access images you have downloaded from Google Drive or can access from a connected flash drive. With the Selector tool in use, you can pinch and zoom to resize and rotate images. Drag to reposition them.